How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. But before we start, let's be clear about one thing. Recovering deleted messages is only possible in certain situations. So let's go through all the possible ways step by step. So here, if your permanently deleted messages are gone in the messenger, well, there is no official way to fully recover them. However, if the messages were archived, backed up, or sent to your email, you may still be able to access them. So here, let's check all the possible methods. So let's start with the method 1, that is to check archive chats. So sometimes messages are not deleted, they are just archived. So here you can just open the messenger, and once you're inside it, you can just tap on the menu icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here in this section, you can just tap on archive and go to the archive chats and look for the conversation you think that was deleted. And if you find it, you can just open the chat and your message will be still there. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to download your Facebook data. So Messenger messages are part of the Facebook data. So what you can do is simply open the Facebook app, and here once you're inside it, you can just tap on the menu icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here you can just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And here once you are inside the settings and privacy section, you can simply tap on see more in account center option, and from here you can simply scroll down, and there you can simply tap on your information and permissions, and here you can just tap on export your information, and here you can simply tap on create export and go through all the procedures to export the messages of your account to your device. And after that, you can simply enter the password and request a download. And once the file is ready, you can simply download it and check if your deleted messages appear right there. And this works only if the messages were not permanently deleted before backing up. And with that, we will move forward to the method 3, that is to check email notification. So if you had email notification enabled, some messages content might still be in your email inbox. So here you can search your email for Facebook and Messenger by directly going through the mail and opening older notification emails or check the message previews. And with that, moving forward to the method 4, that is to ask the other person. So if none of the above method works, the last option is simple. You can simply ask other person in the conversation, and they may still have the messages and can screenshot or forward them to you. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.